In my review of the Xiaomi Mi A2, I actually called it one of the best cameras under rupees 20,000. But in that price range, there is one more phone that everybody has been talking about and is definitely a direct competitor to the Mi A2. Yes, I'm talking about the Honor Play, and a lot of you guys wanted to know how the camera compares against the Mi A2. So you know what we did? We're actually working on a camera comparison of the Mi A2 with the Honor Play. But we've also added the Nova 3i into the mix. But you know what? While the Mr. Phone team sits and analyzes this one by one for you guys, we thought why not just show you the samples and put a blind test in front of you guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to show 3 samples from the 3 phones across multiple parameters as usual, and you pick your favorite. In the end, we'll tell you which phone actually captured the photo. Before you jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about more such awesome tech videos. And we're also trying to build our Mr. Phone community on Facebook, a link to which should be in the description below. Before we move ahead with our comparison, we're actually going to show you the camera spec sheets of these 3 phones. But you know what? Both the Honor Play and the Nova 3i are actually AI enabled cameras, but for the sake of this comparison, we're not actually going to use AI. We're going to shoot all our pictures without AI because AI just enhances the images by, boosting up the colors and the saturation, which we'll talk about in our proper comparison. But for this blind test, we're not using the AI mode enabled. Hi guys, we're shooting our latest camera comparison and I'm shooting up to shoot a 1080p 30 fps video. Do let us know in the comment section below what you thought about the video quality and the sound. So we've come to the end of our comparison and I am sure that you guys must have picked out your favorites and are waiting to eagerly know which phone actually captured the pictures that you like. Well, the pictures captured from A were actually captured by the Honor Play. The pictures captured by B were actually captured by the Nova 3i. And finally, the pictures captured by C, and I'll say this, were captured by the Mi A2. So that's it from me for now. I hope you liked this blind test. What we'll do is actually give you our detailed analysis as usual in Mr. Phone style of what we think about all the pictures that were captured using these three phones. Until next time, this is Ashad signing off. Goodbye.